Okay, welcome back. Now it's time to talk about the server-side rendering. So I have discussed these things earlier, even though I am discussing server-side rendering. Main disadvantage of CSR is that it is not search engine optimized. So therefore, most of the web frameworks provide the ability to render the page in server as well. So main disadvantage of CSR is that it's not search engine optimized. Therefore, okay, not like CSR, each page will initiate a request to app server which where it dynamically renders and serves full HTML. You see, it is serving. In the previously, we have seen that the blank HTML is serving, but here they are serving full HTML. So it has the HTML, but here it has no HTML. That was a blank page. So whenever search engine comes or crawler comes, they find the metadata. So they find it handy to rank in the Google. So not like CSR, is page will initiate a request to the app server where it dynamically render and server serves full HTML for that page. Since it requests and renders the page each time user request, page serve time is more than the CSR application. So it is better for SEO optimization. Okay, and Nextjs by default is providing you that. So here I have created a folder for server-side rendering and same file by deleting the use effect, as my intention is to use it as a server-side rendering. So, and you can use force dynamic. So first of all, I'm using force dynamic and see I'm building it npm run build. I want to show you that if you use this line, I mean export const dynamic force dynamic, it will make your content dynamic. You see, this is dynamic server render on demand. Server side rendering is dynamic. Its symbol is F and rest of the symbol are circle, zero like circle. But when you use it and when you should not use it, there is a explanation over here. When to use force dynamic real-time data application, apps that rely on constantly update data, financial dashboard, real-time chatbots, you can use the force dynamic. Use specific content, personalized pages or user specific dashboards that need to be tailored to each individual visual data in real time. Session based page for pages where session data, shopping carts, user account changes frequently need to reflect the current state immediately. Rapidly changing APIs for case where API data updates frequently and you want to ensure that latest data is always shown. So example of use case, live dashboard, a dashboard that display live metrics or stock price that it needs to update instantly. Okay, real-time chat, a real-time where to be rendered in a real time. Okay, e-commerce, a product page where stock availability, pricing or user specific discounts are constantly changing and should. So in this case you can use force dynamic, but here I am not using force dynamic because our application is not like that. So again I am building npm run build, or otherwise it would be better by deleting the next. Let's see. So this time it's not rendering as the dynamic, it's static. Okay, but I have used force cache and it will cache the data. Okay, npm run dev, sorry, npm run start. npm run start. Let's see, this is server side rendering, internal server error. Maybe it had been conflict with s. Yeah, I have run npm run dev. I am building it once again. Okay, npm run start. Yeah, this time I am getting the, and you see it will cache. This time it loads, and next time it will cache the data. I'm showing you, you see cache control, it cache, and it has the Nextjs cache hit. If you find this, you can say that data has been cached. I'm reloading once again and showing you the, so it's not been changing. Okay, this is all about server-side rendering and caching. So if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned, stay connected. See you soon. A little bit announcement. You can get a tremendous and superb course. This is my course. MERN stack, Typescript, Ecommerce, Docker, RTKquery, and along with deploy. It's a nice and huge course. So its price is $44, but I can give you, for my students, I can give it only $9. Okay, so it will last for 5 days, but you will get $9. If the course is needed, you can contact with me, just $9.99. Okay, so it's a super course, tremendous course. So you will able to learn a lot of things. You will get TypeScript, e-commerce, Docker, RTK query, and deployment. So it is built on React 9.18, Node.js 20, and role-based automatic redirect. So I will give the discount link and coupon code and course link in the description box. You can come and check, and don't hesitate to grab the course. Thank you very much.